Hey everyone, in this video I will be talking about SlidesGo.com. So in this video I will show you the basics and showcase the platform for you, show you how to create presentations easily using SlidesGo, and show you pretty much all the basics that you would need to get started with it, including how to get started creating an account, how to actually go about creating a presentation, and what you can do using SlidesGo.com. So let's actually get started. Before we even do that, let's talk about the pricing. Well, slidesgo.com is mostly for free, but keep in mind it does include a premium plan for extra stuff. You do get more templates, you do get more of the icons, pictures, that kind of stuff. Discounts for bigger teams, as you can see, and you can have the other features that are listed in here. And then there's the education plan, which is pretty much the same thing, but it is a discount for schools, teachers, and students. But other than that, most of the other stuff is pretty much for free. So you can just get started for free. And to do so, to get started, you just go to slidesgo.com. Afterwards, you just sign up. It's a simple and straightforward sign up process. You just click on sign up over there on the top right. And afterwards, you just fill out your info, including your email and that kind of stuff. And then they're going to ask you one last question, which is going to be what are you going to be using slidesgo.com for? And once you select that, you should find yourself in this homepage, which means you are done with creating an account. You are good to go to actually get started. So SlidesGo is going to help you with presentations, slides, that kind of stuff, and it's going to make the hard work easy for you. So if you don't want to take a lot of time when it comes to designing a specific presentation, you could use SlidesGo to just instantly pick a template and then go from there by just adding the text, adjusting the pictures, and that kind of stuff. It does offer plenty of tools as well as methods to get started with your presentation, which I will show you right now. So on the home page, you will get obviously the trending or the most popular templates that you could just get started with. We can just keep scrolling down and you'll find a lot of templates that you could choose from, or you can just do a simple search, like for example, space, and we will find plenty of templates to choose from. To get started with it, you can simply just click on one of them, and then it's going to allow you to preview the template by just scrolling past them. And when you're happy with it, you will need to add them to Google Sheets, Slides. I'm sorry, or PowerPoint. You can just use it by clicking on download this template, and then you just pick which platform you want. So for example, let's just go with Google Slides. Just click on it, and then from here you just click on make a copy, and then you just give it a little bit of time, and it's going to take us to Google Slides, where we can actually adjust the presentation to our liking. Now we need to understand that every single bit here is going to be a block that you can edit. So this earth is going to be a block where you can move it around, make whatever you want with it. Same goes for the text. Same goes for other elements that are grabbable. For example, this text, the earth, and I think the rest is going to be a background. What's going to show is not the rest of the earth on the left side. It's just what's in the middle. So keep that in mind. So if we can just, for example, edit the text by just clicking on it, and we can do a lot of things with it. We can make it bigger, smaller, move it around. It's very simple stuff. And obviously adjusting the text is very simple. You just click on the text and then you just type whatever you want. So example here, for example. Okay. So once you're happy, if you want to adjust, you've got a lot of tools here with Google Slides. You can adjust the format if you want it to be in the middle. Like you can use all of these tools above. When it comes to color and stuff, there's all up here. I think I'm not going to do a tutorial about Google Slides. It's very simple, really. You just click on the element, and there's a lot of stuff here to go through when it comes to color, text, making it bold, that kind of stuff. But for the actual tutorial, whatever block that you click on, you can actually adjust. So introduction is a separate block. Number one is a separate block. Same goes for this. Same goes for the rocket. I think Earth as well. And you just click on it, do whatever you want with it, make it bigger, smaller, that kind of stuff. And this works with every template that you choose. So it's very, very simple. So if you want to just make a presentation, you just search for a specific template and then you just adjust it to your needs and edit the text to whatever you want. Now that's one method of getting started with SlidesGo. Now there's plenty more, but I'm gonna show you two more, and then you can just explore the rest for yourself. But just understand that most are pretty much the same thing. You can create a blank template. If you do that, you will get a white page here where you can just add slides, you can add text, you can add elements. When it comes to elements, you can add icons by just dragging and dropping, and you can just make it bigger or smaller. You can change the color of the icons depending on your theme. You've got basic shapes here. You've got lines and arrows, stickers, illustrations, a lot of stuff really. So you can add a lot. If you want to add a specific image from your computer, or you just want to search within free pick, you can do so right here. So if you just go for space, you will get plenty of images for space and so on. And you can also add a video if you just want to upload a video. And then we've got the tools which are going to help you a lot. We've got the AI writer, which you can ask the AI to write about anything. And then we've got within the tools, if we go back, tools, we've got the other text to image, AI presentation, photos, and so on. So this is going to be the editor for slidesgo.com. But instead of going through a blank page here, we can do other things, which is going to help you a lot. How about we actually create a presentation with just a prompt? So if you want to use AI to create the presentation for you, and you just do a little bit of tweaking, then you just go to slidesgo.com, and then you go ahead and scroll right to the bottom, almost, where you will find what's new on SlidesGo. In here, you should find Make Presentations with AI. If we click on that, it will ask us to get started. And then from here, we just simply type in the topic that we want. Again, let's just stick to our theme about space. Nope, let's just do planets. Planets in our solar system. Okay, so writing tone, you've got fun, creative, casual, professional, and formal. Let's just do creative. Language, English, and then number of slides, you can also adjust that. And lastly, you choose a template from the ones at the bottom here. And once we are happy with it, we just go ahead and click on, just keep in mind, by the way, for the templates, you can change colors, so it's fine. So you can just click on generate presentation. Okay, so it's done. It usually takes about a minute. It's not going to take too long, but once it's done creating, you will find the thing here, the topic, the tone, pages, that kind of stuff. But we've got ourselves a very nice and cool presentation that we can work with. So we've got all those topics, and we've got also an outro as well as an intro, which is great. Remember, every single thing here is a block that you can change. So if you click on this image, you can do a few things there. You can remove background, you can replace it with a different image, you can mask if you want, and we've got also filters as well as cropping. But if you want to replace it and you're not happy with the image, you just click on replace. And again, you can just upload, or you can search for a specific image. We can just use this one and then give it a few seconds and it should change for what we have. Now here we've got plenty of colors too, because like I said, every template has specific colors, but you can change them. So we can just click on the colors up top and you should find 4 colors, maybe more depending on your template. And each color we change, you can see it changes with us. So let's say we want the template to be more red and a little bit dark red and black. We can just do that right here. Maybe the rest, I think this is the text. Yes, this is the text. We just make it a little bit like so. And then here we make the background to be gray. So you can see it applies to the rest of the template. If you want to edit a text, you can just do this, click on the specific text, and you've got the font, bold, make it bold if you want, italics, size font, and just other basic stuff. Text color if you want to change specific text color. And then we've got also AI write, where we can just rewrite text, and it's going to write the same thing with different phrasing, basically. As long as these same tools that we talked about earlier when it comes to elements and stuff here. So this is pretty much all I have to say for now to show you the basics, and you can just discover the rest because it's very, very simple and straightforward. You just click on whatever you want and you can just change it. Again, if you want to change the text, you've got the AI writer for you, which helps a lot. And every block you can change yourself. So I hope this video helped you, and that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.